Hello everybody in new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert a cover page in Word. Before beginning, don't forget to subscribe in your YouTube channel Engineer Tutorial to be up to date. So this is Word 2016. We go to insert and we have here cover page. So we have examples: Austin, Banded, Facet, Filigree, Grid, Integral, Motion, Ion Dark, Light, and many other models. So we choose one of them, which is this, for example. Here we write the year 2000 today. When we click today, automatically it makes the date of the day. Document title, I don't know, whatever you want. You may move it. This is the picture. You may delete it and insert a new one. Here, make the name the name of computer. It will be made automatically. My computer named as this. This is the company name, and this is the date of the day. When we make the cover page automatically, the page number, for example, when I put the page numbers, for example, bottom of the page, close hidden, here is it, from the second one. The cover page will not be added. This is the better thing. So, if you have questions, don't forget to ask me in comments. And goodbye, see you in other tutorials.